Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guidance from this reading, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will take 4 cards for your partner's feeling, attention, and consideration, 4 cards for your feeling, attention, and feeling and attention toward this person, and two cards for your mutual energies. Okay, Gemini, let's get started. What is the Gemini person's feelings towards Gemini? What is the Gemini person's feelings toward Gemini? What is the Gemini person's feelings toward Gemini? And we are having here the Tower, Wheel of Fortune, Six of Cups, Strength. So what are the Gemini's feelings toward this person? What are the Gemini's feelings toward this person? We are having here Swords, Knight of Wands, the Word, King of Pentacles. So what are the mutual energies? The Lovers, Eight of Swords. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. Leo with this Strength card, Gemini with this Lovers card, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Eight of Swords and King of Swords, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this King of Wands, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Six of Cups, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this King of Pentacles. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling first. And your person finds some kind of truth, and this person is so shocked right now. This person is in some kind of shock, and also there is another possibility: the foundation of this relationship is not so strong, and this relationship is shattered and destroyed. But the thing is that this person see you as their like golden opportunity. This is this person's current situation right now. This person feels so shattered. This person feels so ruined and destroyed and so shocked and in some kind of trauma. This person is feeling like this person is falling apart. This is this person's current situation right now, and the feelings toward you, like you are their golden opportunity. Their feelings are for you is ups and downs. Sometimes they feel like that they really want you, and another moment they feel like that they can't even live without you. These kind of ups and down feelings this person is feeling, having towards you, and they see you as their golden lucky gem, and they are like falling apart. They feel like that they are shattered everywhere. They are totally ruined. They are totally destroyed. This kind of situation and feeling, in this person's right now, feeling this person, and this person's feelings towards you, like this person is missing you so much. You are there. You are beneficial for them. You are really beneficial for them. You are like their home, and they are missing this home. They're missing beautiful moments and beautiful memories that they have towards you. And also they can feel like that you are having their feeling, like you are having a strong feelings. You are totally under your control, and you are in a complete self control. They can feel that you are so strong. You are so like controlling your emotions for them. The love you have toward this person, you totally control that love, this overflowing love, this beastie kind of love. Getting over this, and they feel like that you are so strong on your emotions, your feelings, and you are holding yourself back, and you are pushing this person away, and this person is missing the good memories. A lot of like in this person's head, a lot of in this person's head, Gemini, for you. So let's see what is your feelings. And you are so angry, and you are so mad at this person right now. Whatever this person, I think you give this person some kind of ending, and you show this person some kind of mirror, and so you leave this person, and you are you you feel some kind of, you are so hot and cold, you are so on and off, you feel so love and hate kind of situation. This is your current situation right now, Gemini. You are so mad at this person, and you feel so on and off, hot and cold. Sometimes you feel there is some love and passion left for this person, and then you another moment you feel this anger in you, this rage in you. Well, and this is on and off, hot and a cold situation you are in it, because it's a knight of sword and knight of wand together in your chart. These are your first and second card. Definitely you feel, first of all, you are so mad at this person, and then you feel the passion for this person is, feel like there is still a passion for this person, love for this person, and then the other moment you feel angry. Why you are having this, even a slight, even a little bit passion for this person? Why you are having this passion for this person? Why you, and you feel so right now excited and overwhelmed, like you are so adventurous right now, and this is like a lot of passion and emotions like mixing, and there is some kind of roller coaster, like a lot of thing happening, like your emotions are like that. And you are so angry on yourself, why you are having this kind of, still you having this kind of passion for this person, and you are also mad at this person. And there is some kind of natural ending between both of you. There is something ended in a natural way, and and you just let it happen. And there is a cycle you complete with this person, and you, after completing this cycle, you complete a cycle, and you really don't want to another cycle, so you put some kind of boundaries around you, you put some kind of barrier, you are restricting this person to, you really don't want to start a new cycle with this person. If this is ended, you want that end to be end one and once and for all. And I think this is this person's shock, because you are so mad at this person, you are so angry, and you are even angry on this anger. Why you are so angry? Why you are having this passion for this person? And there is this person feeling like they are connected to you, their soul connected to you, their fate connected to you, destiny connected with you. The lovers, this is your own energy, Gemini, and your energy, definitely your light is on them. They are under this your light, they are on spot, and they feel like that they can't live without you. You are the love of their life, and you are there, like they want to choose, they choose you. If there is any kind of choices, you are their first priority. This kind of feelings this person is having for you. And you feel like you are in your thoughts, a lot of thoughts in your head, a lot of thinking, you are overthinking maybe, and you're thinking and thinking and keep thinking, and you are stuck in your own thoughts. You are you are juggling with your own thoughts and your own passion and your own feelings. You are dealing with your own feelings right now. Instead of this person, you are like so little bit angry with yourself to having this passion for this person. You really don't want to have that. You want to put boundaries around you. You really don't want to feel anything for this person. So let's see what else we have for you, Gemini. What else for Gemini? Okay, Ten of Pentacles. What else for Gemini? Nine of Wands, and as an outcome, Nine of Swords. Okay, Gemini, this person is like I told you, you are beneficial for this person, and this person really like you and your family, your friends, your family, your status, your whatever you have in your life, your circle, your community, your family, your business, everything. They find that you are so beneficial for them. You are like, yes, they lost something special. They feeling like that you are their luck. You are you know in a financial way, you are so like lucky for this person, and they are taking advantage of you, I guess, advantage from you, and they see you like that. And also you on the another side, you already wounded, You already face whatever is happening with this person, you already face in past, and you really don't want to repeat it again. And you already wounded, and you really don't want to bleed your wounds again for because of this person. And that's why you are mess up with your own self and with your own feelings, and you are really mad at this person to put you in this situation, to put you again in this situation because of this person. And there is in cycles, and you really don't want that. This there is in, you know, cycles. This is happening like step by step, 8 9, and this is 10, and then again 9. This is happening in like step by step. Again this happened to you. You are protecting your heart. You really, you are like, sometimes you feel you are ready for a next battle, but sometimes you feel so tired you really don't want to pick up another fight, but you have to. And that's why you are so mad at this person. And in upcoming week, in this week, you feel depression. You both, you and your person, you both feel depression, sleepless, cold, and a nightmare. This relationship and whatever happened between both of you, it's become a nightmare. You can feel in this week, in upcoming week, you will feel this. You feel so restless, you feel so sleepless, and you are so in in a nightmare mode right now, Gemini. So let's see what advice messages I should have for you. Stop blaming yourself, it's destiny. Forget it. Scream out your pain. Let her, let him go. Cure your heart. These are few advice messages in the end. And the summary of your reading is this person is in some kind of shock, and this person is shattered. Their feelings are ups and down. You are so beneficial for this person, and this person is deeply missing you. And also this person feel like that you have a complete self-control, but on the other hand, you are really angry inside. You are not showing your anger to this person, but you are mad at this person. These are few summary of your reading. If it helpful for you and if it resonate with you, tell me in comments. Thank you so much for your time and your attention. God bless you. Bye.